if you want to help out the channel, you can head over to my Patreon, try to get yourself a mug, sticker, or a tote bag. There are tier systems set up over there. I will put the link in the description, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my live streams. I do exclusive giveaways. You can try and get yourself a Zippo, and also I'll have a PayPal link in the description too if you want to donate to the channel that way. Hey everybody, how you doing? Long time no see. Got this in the mail today. Pretty big exciting news. I'll talk more about it in the live stream tonight, exactly what the news is and how it relates to this. But this was sent to me by a company that does custom Zippos, and they didn't want me to say their name or anything. They didn't want me to promote their Zippos on my channel. They wanted to partner with me, and where I would get my own customs through them, and I do some limited designs and things like that. But like I said, we'll talk more about that in the live stream. But it's pretty big news for the channel, pretty cool. So this is showcasing some of the work they do. So the first one right here, we'll pull out, is, yes, it is the Zippo Fanatic 77 Zippo they did of my logo. I put a pipe insert in there. I don't know, I like to do that. Looks cool. It's not a 540 design, but they have this high gloss matte all over it. It is a C21. Very nice Zippo. Great work. My fingerprints are already on it, but like this is a really strong coating, whatever they're putting on there. I don't know, right? I don't work in the factory with them, but there's a very strong coating on there, and you know there is, because you can see the inside of the Zippo looks extremely bright and shiny and new. That is because they have to give it a chemical bath before they can put this, sorry guys, I don't have the details. I will have the details, but it's a very tough coating. I can't remember what it's called, but it's extremely tough. And so this is the Zippo they sent for me as a gift for me, and they just wanted to showcase what it was like. But they also wanted to showcase off how of detailed work they can do and how beautiful of work they can do. So we will pull out the next Zippo, and I have to say the work on this one is very good. I've obviously looked at it, put a pipe insert in it, and I've inspected these right before I made the video. But I'm pretty excited about this, and this one's very nice. So this is some cool things that are going to be coming from this channel. I'm going to be doing my own 540 custom designs. Complete all the way around. This is a San Francisco one that they threw in there just to showcase like the amount of detail they can put around the whole thing. It goes around the whole thing, any picture you want. You know, if you want to get one specific to you, like family photos or artwork you've done or things like that, or images you like, I can get it done. They even do it on the bottom stamp. It is still a Zippo. I'm trying to get it in the glare. I could see it right now. I don't know if you can, but it says Zippo I-20, Bradford, USA, and all that. I could see it. When you're holding it to your face, you can. I don't know if you could see that on camera, but I definitely can see the date and everything. But yeah, and they're just really nice, authentic Zippo. Pipe insert. Well, oh yeah, I put it in there. But these are very well done, very nice pieces. I completely love this. This is going to be pretty damn cool. I don't think I'm going to be giving this one away. I'm probably be keeping this one, and I'm obviously keeping this one. I'm pretty excited about that. That's a really cool one, you know, like this is professional work. Like you could just tell in the detail, this is professional work. So I'm going to be thinking about doing like some limited series and things like that. But another thing, before you go, I wanted to talk to you about another thing. The live stream contests are going to be changing. They're going to be a little different. I'm going to be using this little machine here with gumballs with numbers on it. And if you land on the triple gums when your number's called, you also win a t-shirt if it lands on that. Like you can see it's random or whatever, but it's not, it's just a sticker on there, but it will land on that double bubble one sometimes, right? So whenever that lands and the winning number's called on that, you'll also win a t-shirt. I have to go get gumballs. Couldn't find any. I'm gonna have to go to like the bulk barn or something to find the ones that actually fit that, so the mechanism works properly. But that's gonna be a new way to do it. We're having a live stream tonight. The Dependable Flame's gonna be there. Zippo Daily Fix, a Zippo enthusiast down under. He's an Australian Zippo channel. Go check him out. We'll hear more from him tonight. And tonight's a good time to ask Dependable Flame any questions you got. He's really smart. He knows a lot about a lot of other lighters. That's why I like to have him on, because, you know, other people do like other lighters. We don't have to just always talk about Zippos. There's other cool lighters to have and talk about, and he knows them all. He fixes them too. Really great guy. He's done a lot for my channel, and he's going to be guest hosting tonight, along with, like I said, Zippo Daily Fix and Zippo Enthusiast Down Under. Go check out all those channels. Go subscribe, like, comment to them. And big things are underway from my channel, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna be selling these customs. I'm gonna be getting rid of these customs. Anything you want on it, my own designs on it. I'm gonna have some really cool things coming with this. But that will be in time too. You know, we still have deals and discussions to have and whatever with the guy I'm doing this with, who contacted me, reached out to me, and sent me these. So George, if you're watching, thank you very much. This is a very generous gift. I can't wait to do some work with you and see what we can do. You know, because now I'm going to be doing all sorts of customs. I do the metal etch, do the 540 design, wrap around. This thing's very tough. I'm going to be using this one as a daily driver, and we're going to see how tough it is. But I already know what it is. I just can't remember off the top of my head. I have to look. And yeah, you can just already tell that that's tough. That's not going nowhere. That's pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. I hope everyone else is too. And remember, guys, I'll see you tonight in the live stream. We're going to start a little earlier tonight. We're going to start at 8 o'clock. Dependable Flame is only going to be able to be there from 8 o'clock till 9 o'clock Central. He's got other things for the night. Zippo Daily Fix isn't going to be in till a little bit later. He is doing some things also. And I don't know exactly what time Zippo Enthusiast Down Under is going to join at, but he said he is ready to go and is going to join. So hope to see you guys all there tonight. We're going to be doing giveaways. We're going to be chatting, talking, answering your questions, doing everything you like to do in our live streams. And we're going to have a fun one, guys. So I really appreciate you being here. Stay tuned. I know I haven't been really posting too much. I've been really busy. It is summertime too. Channel's slowing down a little bit for the summer, but I will be back in full drive by winter too. But I'm still going to be posting videos. I'm going to try to post one a week at least for now. All right, everyone. Take care. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks to all my subscribers and loyal Patreon members and super chatters and everyone who takes part in everything. You guys are all keeping this channel together. I really appreciate it. And I have another big piece of news to talk about tonight too. So I hope to see you guys in the live stream so we can talk about this more.